The Dynamic Injury Prevention Program consists of a warm-up, stretching, strengthening, plyometrics, and sport-specific agilities. It should take approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete and should be done at least 3 times per week. Warm-up. Warming up and cooling down are a critical part of a training program. The purpose of the warm-up section is to allow the athlete to prepare for activity. By warming up your muscles first, you greatly reduce the risk of injury. Jog cone to cone. Complete a slow jog from near to far cone. This exercise allows the athlete to slowly prepare themselves for the training session while minimizing the risk for injury. Be sure to keep the hip, knee, and ankle in a straight alignment without the knee caving in or the feet whipping out to the side. Shuttle run exercise. Start in an athletic stance with a slight bend at the knee, leading with the right foot, side step pushing off with the left foot. Switch sides at half field. When you drive off with the back leg, be sure the hip, knee, and ankle are in a straight line. This exercise engages the hip muscles and will promote increased speed. Try not to cave the knee joint inward. Backward running. Run backwards from cone to cone. Land on your toes without extending the knee. Stay on your toes and keep the knees slightly bent at all times. Watch out for locking of the knee joint. This exercise engages hip extensors and hamstrings.